What's up? What's popping? What's cracking with y'all, Priceless Gang? Welcome back to another video. If you guys can give me a like, share the video, and if you're new to the channel, please subscribe, as always. But without further ado, we're gonna get right into the video. I got new mod for the charger, and it's new LED side markers. So now for these side markers, I decided to go for the clear look. I was thinking about going with the dark smoked ones, but I was like, everybody does that, and my car. Oh, I've had people say, well, they thought I had it wrapped and thought it was like a Nardo color. And I've seen people like Fresh Kicks with his Nardo GTR have clear side markers. And I was like, actually, it looks pretty good on the car. And I saw a video with a smoke show charger that had clear side markers on it. And I thought, hey, let me do something a little bit different. It looks pretty good, so let's go see what it looks like. And so I bought them. So, do that. I mean, they say changing out these side markers isn't as easy as it looks. Doesn't look well. As far as the front goes, it looks like it's pretty easy, and then the backs, I know it's gonna be a little hard. I'm probably gonna do what I think it was a Dynamics video showed on their video. I'll mess it up, but they said, you know, to take off this 10mm screw to pull the bumper back and stuff like that. I might go ahead and do that. Either that, or I'm just gonna lift the car, but I'm probably gonna do it the lazier way, so I don't have to do anything extra. Just take off that 10mm so I can get to the bumper or open the bumper up. Y'all know what I mean. But without all this talking, let's just go ahead and do it and see what it's going to look like. Let's go. Alright, y'all. It's a little bright out here, but as I told y'all before, y'all charger owners know, we got these orange reflectors for the front, and it's only this little light bulb right here. Then we go to the back. Then we got the red one. And once again, it's dirty. My car is dirty, bro. But with a little light right there, and we're gonna be replacing that for the white ones. So we're just gonna see how that's gonna work out for the front. I'm just gonna turn the wheel on each side. Then the back, I'm probably just gonna try to take the bumper off. I do got a smaller ratchet I could use. So let's get this going. Okay, y'all, I don't know if y'all can see, but I am gonna start with the back first, because since people say that's the hardest to do is the back, because the wheel, unless we take the wheel off, which I am not going to be doing. I think it's bright as hell, but yeah, so for what you guys want to do, I'm going to do step by step. I don't know if y'all can see. Damn, it's too bright. Let me see if I can change that. Okay, I just went to the other side since it's not as bright. What you guys are going to do is take out these clips. There's going to be 1, 2, and 3. And after that, after you take out the clips, we're just going to push the fender liner back to be able to get to this light right here. And I'll get back to y'all once I do that. Y'all switch to my phone. It was hard to get this on camera, but behind here, I don't know if y'all can see that. Right there. Y'all can barely see it. Right there. I don't know if y'all can see that. Yeah, there you go. Right there, there's going to be a little 10mm bolt. You want to do that, you'll be able to take the bumper off and get easier access to it. Okay, now I got the rear coming off, and after you guys do that, you want to take 2 T25 screws. You want to take out 2 screws that need the T25. Then you take out the little switch right there, and we should be ready to go. Okay, y'all, so we got that first one out. Yeah, these are gonna look better, bro. What y'all think? Y'all think that's gonna complement the car? I don't know. I think I need to get used to it to see how it really looks. But yeah, I think I guess it's a big upgrade from that. But let's go ahead and put it back together. But we gotta check the connection first, make sure it's working right, and then I'll get back to y'all. All right, y'all. Let's see. Make sure the connection works. Let me unlock the car. Eee! Yo, yeah, that looks way better. That's way better than that little single bulb in there. Yeah, that's fire. All right, let me button it back up. Now I'm gonna do the other side, which is the same as this side. Then I'm gonna show y'all the front. And one thing I forgot to tell you guys, with the new ones, you have to take the screw, just the screw that already comes in there, and you got to make your own threads in there. So all you gotta do is just put the screw on the T25 with the ratchet and just put it all the way in there, screw it all the way in there, and take it back out. Do the same with the other one, and then yeah, you just have to thread it yourself. So it's not hard. People are talking about this installation was kind of hard with the rears. As long as you take this part out, it's easy as hell. But once again, let me get back to it, and I'll show you how to do the fronts. All right, y'all, I got the backs done. I don't know. I think the clear. I feel like the clear got to grow on me on some. Like, to be real with y'all, on some real shit. The clear is decent though. It kind of complement the car. If anything, if I'm just like, nah, it ain't for me, I could just get it tinted or just take them back or send them back. I got them off of Amazon. So, and if anything, if I end up not wanting them anymore and I can't return them, I could just get them tinted. It'll look way better with the tints than the red and the orange getting tinted over. So yeah, it's just gonna be fire either way. So let me go ahead and show you how to do the front. So with the front, you're gonna have to take out the same type of clips. You got 1, you got 2, 3, 4, and they say you should take that one out too. I don't know. I'm gonna see if I could just take these 4 out and then see if I really wanted to take that extra one out. I don't like taking that one out. Damn, I stopped recording by accident, but it'll be the same process with this one. The 2 T25 torque screws, and then you unplug the light and then plug the next light back in and check it to make sure it's working. Then you'll be good. We're gonna have Smokey looking good, man, this summer. Can't wait to get them stripes done, man. I just don't exactly know what I want to do. I kind of have an idea for the color, but yeah, we're gonna get her looking good. Need them new shoes on her. But yeah, and then after I finish getting them on, I'm probably gonna get a car wash, and I gotta go grocery shopping. But ain't gonna vlog that. Need a car wash. Let's get into it. Yeah, so I thought I'd give y'all a better look at what it looks like behind here. Push the fender liner back. So here's a better look at what it looks like behind here. These are the 2. I took one out already. These are the 2 T25 torque screws you have to take out. Then right here is the light switch, which you can get to it easy once you take these out, because then the marker just pops out. Oh man, there goes all my lighting trend shit for my headlights that aren't fucking working, which I don't know why the fuck they not working. It is a nice day out here. I think it's like 40-something degrees. I'm actually getting a little hot, but I ain't got nobody else to help me. And I ain't really trying to take the bumper off. I do have my daughter here with me. Say hello. Hi. She's playing with the switch. Yeah. But I'll probably, because I mean, it's starting to get a little warmer out, so there'll be more days where I can go ahead and figure it out. And if I can't figure it out and it's just not working, I'm probably just gonna either order from Lighting Trends again, but just not get the Flow series again and just get the DRL boards. That way I could just use my factory DRL bars and just change the colors like that, and then also get the halos, which, I mean, opening up the headlight for me is like the scariest part. Doing everything else I ain't really scared of, but opening the headlight and then sealing back up is the scariest part for me. But hey, it beats paying $400 for somebody to do it for you. But yeah, so I do miss these headlights. I have so many people compliment my headlights. I mean, just a car like this with nothing. All I did to the car was a muffler delete, the lights, and the rear tail light tint that I made a video about. I just tinted the inside of the tail lights right here, and I took off the Dodge, and then, you know, I was supposed to have a video on these, but I didn't finish that video. I did black out the badges, and I put 345 right there. I mean, I could have just debadged it, but I mean, I don't know. I just thought it looked good. I guess I just forgot to make that video. I don't know. I had a lot of stuff going on, but yeah, just alone, I've had a lot of compliments on this car, and I barely did anything to this. I mean, so y'all know the stripes are gonna be hard. That shit gonna be pressure, but yeah.
What is my channel again?
She want a channel too. I was about to start. You know, I'm starting the video right now.
Yeah.
Let me see your outfit. Okay. How you doing? How you doing, princess? Now she all shy. Well, all right, y'all. We got the little side markers on. They look decent. I ain't gonna cap. I probably gotta get used to it because it's a new look. Well, tell me what y'all think. You shut your mouth, girl. So tell me what y'all think. Should I keep the white? Or should I go with the blacked out? I ain't gonna lie. It's weird. I kind of like the front better than the back. I don't know why, but I don't know. I think it look decent, man. And I'm shooting back on my Canon in case the quality is different. I honestly haven't shot with this camera in a long time. I haven't used it for a vlog before, so I guess we're gonna see what the quality looks like. But I honestly I think it looked good. What you think, little girl?
I think it looks good too.
She acting all shy. How she acting all shy when she said she wanted a YouTube channel, bro? You can't be shy with a YouTube channel. Yeah, she cute. But
it's my first YouTube channel.
all right. But let's see what it looks like when I turn it. Looks good. It's kind of hard to see on the camera. It looks good. The front ones don't come on with the unlock button. That's actually just how it is, even with the stock. So let me. I mean, I could look. See, I'm over here fumbling my words, but let's see. Let me turn the lights on.
Hands up.
Be quiet. Turn the lights on. You can't really tell. Let me go to the other side. Little girl. Oh my God. But that's how it looks. It's kind of hard to see during the daytime, but I will show y'all what it looks like at night. It's supposed to be brighter than the factories because it's a whole LED strip, but yeah, I'll mess with it way better than the factories. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. She keeps talking and talking and talking. But yeah, we're gonna go ahead and go clean her up real quick. I need to go grocery shopping, and then when it's nighttime, I guess I'll show y'all what it looks like. Look at it. Oh yeah. What we need first? I need my white girl juice. Let's go get some Starbucks. I need my white girl juice. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Say peace out.
Peace out.
Oh, I'm tripping, y'all. I didn't even get the cold start for y'all. I mean, I did start it up a little while ago, but here we go. How smooth the sound of the day. Okay. Not bad for RT. Okay. Let's go get that Starbucks now. Can't see her. All right, y'all. Bag secured. Got that grande caramel frappuccino. Bro, I swear. The caramel frappuccino is like the best shit there, bro. I don't mess with the mocha shit. Nah, that shit's just like, nah, that ain't for me, bro. Like, real niggas get this shit, bro. Caramel frappuccino, nigga. Real niggas get this. Am I right?
Yeah.
Yes, sir. Real niggas get the grande. If y'all see me looking to the side, because I'm looking at the screen on my camera. But yeah. All right, let's get Smokey washed up, and I'll show y'all what it looks like when it's all cleaned up and at night. So, whoosh. Y'all, this is not the move. Look at all these cars, bro.
Oh no.
That's the little entrance for it. Let me get out your way. Oh, I gotta get out the dude way. Like, bro. Oh, damn, I'm all zoomed in. Bruh, this is not the business. Bruh, I might just say forget doing a car wash and just get up out of here, bro. What y'all think? I don't know. Yeah, I'm leaving, bro. This is not the move. We out here. I'm just gonna go to the grocery store, man. I'll probably just wash down the car myself. It'll be quicker than this. Look at this nigga. You see me turn around, stupid ass nigga. Yeah, it's not the business, y'all. Oh, look what I found right when I left the car wash. We got one of the new Toyota. Was it FRS? I don't know. All these cars seem the same, bro. What y'all think about it? Honestly, I like that blue one there. It's pretty nice. But they too damn small for me. I'm about 6'3", so. That's a no bueno for me. Alright, y'all, it's later. I went ahead, we did grocery shopping and all that. Man, y'all saw that line for the car wash. I was about to do all that. Man, I'm starving right now, but they do look good at night, though. I don't know if y'all can see the little red right there. There goes the orange. I might just go ahead and just pull it out so you guys can see what it looks like on the ground. It's pretty bright. I ain't gonna lie, I like them though. The little, what's it called? The clear Sidemarker, whatever. I don't know. But the clear version is looking good to me. It's starting to grow on me a little bit. I mean, of course, the black, like always, goes with everything. But yeah, I like it. I actually recommend it. It goes with the color of the car since it's gray, smoke show gray, whatever. Kind of like that Nardo gray look. You know what I'm saying? But to be honest with y'all, I'm starving. I gotta go to the bathroom, so I'm probably not gonna. I'll probably wash the car tomorrow. I don't care, but I thought it might have good lighting over here. But let me go ahead and pull it back out so y'all can see how much it illuminates the ground. Alright, y'all can see that I got a, dang, my camera battery dying too. I ain't got another battery, but y'all can't really see the light, but you'll see how much that brightens it up. Look at that, way better than the stock ones though. So much brighter, bro. You can see a little bit of orange over here. Can't really see it because of all the lights over here. Yeah, I ain't gonna lie, I recommend it. I might go with the black ones. Nah, clear ones is hard. I don't even know if y'all can see me, man. I didn't even change the settings on my camera. I got an auto. Nah, it got smoky looking good though. I can't wait to get them stripes on the car. That shit's gonna be hard, bro. Look at that. Got my little quick release on there. I ain't drilling no holes in this hoe. We ain't putting no holes in Smokey. But yeah, Smokey is dirty. I am hungry. I don't feel like washing the car by myself. I want to take it. So I got a gift card for car wash. So I'm gonna do that tomorrow. But I came over here so I can see it. So on my way home. Alright, y'all, but once again, make sure y'all like, share, subscribe if you're fucking with the content, you know what I'm saying? But I'm gonna close out. I'm gonna have the link to these in the description. It's about like, what, $70 something, so it ain't too bad. Makes the car look way better. Well, not, well, it accents the car way better, I'm gonna say that. But yeah, got a little smoky looking good, you know what I'm saying? I still gotta fix these lights, man. I might just go with a different brand, or just the DRLs, or put the factory ones back in there. I don't know. It's getting on my nerves. I miss my factory DRLs, but everybody was messing with the RGBs. But it is what it is. It's just car shit, bro. Stuff breaks and you gotta replace it and you gotta fix it. But all right, y'all. I'm gonna see y'all in the next video. Make sure you like, share, comment, subscribe, do all that for me. Yeah, we'll see what else we do to the car. Maybe it'll be a car show. I don't know, but I'll see y'all in the next one.
Priceless, girl, your love, priceless. My life is priceless. Before I leave you lifeless. Priceless, girl, your love, priceless. My life is priceless. Before I leave you lifeless.